watching. I'm just showing off this exploding outhouse that I've made. And if you're pretty crafty, you're going to be able to copy the plans and be able to make one of these. I didn't invent this. It was made probably 100 years ago. What makes it go off is a mouse trap inside. And remember, I made this all out of scraps. And some things you're going to need is just some wood. A lighter wood is better. I actually went and got these side walls right here from Home Depot. They have in their tile section, you can take free samples. I actually bought a lot of wood flooring, but I seen the samples. I said, let me make one of these things. Okay, so I'm showing you guys how it's made right here, and so you guys could build one of these, or maybe you just want to see it and you think it's cool. Obviously, got a hinge here and a little door handle here as a screw, and I got a chain with a little thing that says Big Bad Mouse. And we're at a convenience store, and I'm actually just going to leave it on the counter, and whoever wants to open this thing can go ahead and do that, and they'll get a little shock. Okay, obviously it says do not disturb, so if they don't want to disturb the Big Bad Mouse, they don't have to open it. I'm going to lift the roof off so you guys can see how it was made. Alright, I wrote down front, and this is from a scrap box. You can see I broke the box just to make this. It's a lot easier with a chop saw. You can cut perfect angles with a chop saw. Okay, so this is your top roof right here, and all I do is put a little lip on it that holds the entire box section in place, and the walls can disassemble right here. The reason I have these right here is only for it to hold itself in place as you set up your box. You see that? So they don't have no other purpose other than just holding the box together. It's just some scraps. I used crazy glue on the backing to hold that together. See how it's made? The mechanism right here, when that pin right there is pulled from that eye hook right here, it lets the mouse trap go off. And I'll just take apart all the walls so you guys can see that there is another level here. If you're going to be building these, you're going to want to know that, where you've got another level. The reason there's another level, what I mean by another level is another floor right here, because when you go to put these walls on, you're able to just put them in place. You see that? So if you're going to be copying this, you're going to want to know that. And there's only one little, I used like a plastic screwdriver scrap around the convenience store we have. So I put that in there. And when that goes off, you don't need to put a bunch of these all over the place. It's actually, once that goes off, you got your roof, and it sets everything and throws it up into the air. So just copy those plans. The reason I shaved the door in right here is because when it opens and shuts, obviously it will jam. I used a scroll saw to do that, and that's about it. So let's see what happens here.